How would you like to earn money from sending out emails but without actually writing the emails? My name is Dylan LaFazio, and if you stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start profiting from email marketing without ever writing your own emails. Now, in this video, what I'm going to be sharing with you is a very simple method that if you have an email marketing list, you can use this to profit every single day, and anybody can get access to this. Now, if you stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how I earn and how I get, on average, about 10 to 100 signups, depending on, if I have ads running or not. But I'm getting about 10 to 100 new subscribers every couple days, and I'm going to show you the exact system which you can get absolutely free to start building your email list as well. So let's jump right into it. What we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be going over Warrior Plus. Now, if you don't know what Warrior Plus is, or if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I'll give you a brief little rundown of it here quickly. Now, affiliate marketing is, in short form, you are the traffic provider. So somebody went out and created a product, and you as an affiliate, you're going to send traffic to that product, and when when the product is sold, you're going to make a commission. Now, these commissions can vary from 100% all the way down to like 7%. With Warrior Plus, the cool thing about it is you're going to earn 100% commissions on the front end, and then you can earn 50% and things like that on the back end. But what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to find products for free that are going to convert, and I'm going to show you how to get emails to actually send out to your list for free as well. Now, if you don't know what Warrior Plus is, just go to Google, type in warriorplus.com, set up a free account, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on affiliates. Now, under the affiliate tab, as you guys see here, I haven't really been doing anything with Warrior Plus. The reasoning behind that is I've been focusing on building my email list, but yesterday I thought, what the hell, let's go out there and, send out one of these emails and see what the hell will happen. So I set up an email, and let's just go to my stats page. So we're going to click on the stats page, and we're going to see here, I got a couple clicks here, but secretly this is one of the emails that I sent out. I put a tracking code on it. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to click this button right here. As you guys see here, I've sent out a total of 3 emails, right? 3 emails to my list. One of the first email, now these emails have been sent out over the last couple days. So over the next, 3 to 4 days, sales are going to continue to roll in from these emails as people, go through them and finally see them and open them and things like that. But what I like to do is I'm going to show you how to get these emails. As you guys see here, they are JV emails. If I do write my own, I just put email 1 or email 2. That way I know it's my own email or if it's the JV email. But what I did was I simply went out there and I sent an email to my list. Now, my list isn't very big. It took me a little while to build, but at the end of this video, like I shared with you, in the beginning, I'm going to show you how to get, 10 to 100 plus leads every single day, leveraging a free system. And I've been able to add, over 200 leads to my list in the last couple days. So the system does work. And as you guys see here, I have a scheduled broadcast going out to my list, tomorrow at 9:45 or tonight at 9:45 p.m. So in about an hour. And I also have another one going out at 9:45 as well. Now, you guys are just seeing the Warrior Plus results. I do have other income streams which I promote with my email list, and I'm not going to get into depth into those. But this formula I want to show you literally works. Now, if you go out there and you grab these emails and you send them out, you're not going to guarantee a sale every single time. But what you do is if you send these out, once a day or twice a day, and you get consistent at it and you continue to send these, emails out and you continue to build your list, you can start generating sales, every single day from just sending out simple copy and paste. But as you guys see here, JV email 2 brought us $40. 17% conversion rate. Now, how do I get these emails? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Get Links. So now, as we see here, I have my affiliate tab open where I'm going to get links. What you want to do is you want to show all offers. I recommend clicking on launch date. I want to get the newest offers. As you guys see here, I have some pending, which I have gone out and sourced out and seen if I want to promote them. One that is really good, so I want to look here. Now, what I'm looking for is conversion rate and visitor value, and low percentage of refunds. So those are my key main points. If something's new, 50 sales, I'm not really worried about it. That just means, the less people have seen it. But the conversion rate, the customer value, and this one right here. So the 2 percentages and this $ right here is what you want to look at. I want to make sure this is over $1. I want to make sure the conversion rate is over 10%, and I want this under 10%, okay? So what we're going to do here is, as we see from Trevor Carr, he has a new Mobility offer, 1,000 plus sales, 14% conversion, 171 customer value, and 0% refund rate with a 76 pulse score. So this is a really, really good offer, which I want to send out. Now I'm going to do an email live with you guys and set it up for Thursday, as I already have emails set up for tomorrow. So now what you're going to want to do is, if you haven't requested, it's going to have a little link here, and you're just going to simply click on request. I've already requested it, and so I'm just waiting for him to confirm. Some are going to deny you, some are going to confirm you. I recommend doing multiple at a time and setting up a list. Okay, I'm going to do say the vendor has 4 emails. Say I'm going to promote this link. I'm going to send all 4 emails out to my list at twice a day, at this time and this time. Say the vendor only has 2 emails, maybe you're only going to promote it for 1 day, or you're going to try and make your own emails a little bit more advanced. But you can do whatever you want with this. What I'm doing right now is I'm sending out 2 emails a day. I'm sending out one at 9:45 and I'm sending one out at 9:45 p.m. So 9:45 a.m., 9:45 p.m. And literally all I'm doing, I'm going to show you guys right here. I'm going to scroll to this bottom of this page, and I'm going to say, okay, where are my email marketing list building? So he doesn't have any emails on this. So for some reason, I thought I checked that. So I guess I did not do my due diligence and checked it good enough. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to scroll back up. We'll do the local video ads. This one does have emails. So go to the JV page. Everyone's going to have a JV page right here. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to make sure they have emails, right? That one didn't have emails. I can write my own, which I probably will for that. But if you're brand new, you want to find one that has emails. Now, what I recommend doing is going through. Now, I want you to copy and paste these, but what I want you to do is I want you to edit it a little bit. I want you to change, a couple words here and there. Make it a little bit unique. Make it sound like you wrote it, but using their format. Now, if you go through and you change things a little bit, it's going to not only increase the amount of open rates, but it's going to slowly give you the ability, because you're going to be reading these ads and you're going to be editing them. You're going to have the ability, when you find an offer that doesn't have emails that you really like, you're going to still be able to promote it because you're going to have the confidence to actually go out there and write your own email. Now, one thing that I recommend, if you want to write your own email, don't be a stickler on perfection. What I recommend doing is just, maybe voice it out on your phone, or type it out if that's what you do. I like voicing it out on my phone. I can, speak my thoughts a little bit easier, and then I can go in, edit them, and send them out as an email. But for a brand new person, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go here, new local video ads. Now, if you guys use AWeber, that's what I use. If you guys use AWeber, I'm gonna show you how to do that. And if you guys get access to our Wi-Fi well system, which I'll go over at the end of this video, that's the first link in the description below. But that's going to give you a complete training, show you how to set up your AWeber account, and help you actually start building your list. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go into the HTML editor, and I'm going to send out this email here. and then I'm going to go over the Wi-Fi wealth system and show you guys how you can actually start building your list leveraging our free system. So I'm just going to copy and paste this. Let me just see here. Local video ads for any offline biz. So we're just going to leave that. That's a good headline. And we're just going to copy this. Now I'm not going to go through and edit it just for, you know, length purposes of this video. But what you're going to want to do, as you guys see here, when it comes out, you know, it's very long. What I like to do is I like to, you know, put a couple breaks in it. Okay. Just make it a little bit easier to read for people. You don't want it to go too long. Make it nice and simple. All right, so then I always change this. You know, you can set it to whatever you want. So that was a cool little PS. So I just added a get instant access at the bottom. Then we're going to remove that. I like to do little arrows and make sure it's all bold. So we're going to do that. Then all we're going to do once this, you know, once this gets, you know, once I get approved for this, is they're going to give us a link. Now, when they give us the link, all we're going to do is we're just going to, you know, highlight this little area here, and we're going to put in, we're going to paste in our, you know, our Warrior Plus link into that box. And then we're just going to click on save and exit. I obviously don't have the link. I'm just doing this for, you know, training purposes. But then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to send options, schedule a broadcast. And now I like to set it up for, you know, the next day. So I already have a broadcast on Wednesday, so I'm going to set it for Thursday. And like I said, 9:45, that's what time I send it to. And then you're just going to click on apply, and that's going to save it. And then if you have multiple email lists that you want to send it to, all you got to do is, you know, you can include all, or you can go through and, you know, deselect or select whichever ones you want. Very, very simple. If you haven't used AWeber, it's, you know, it's very, very easy to get access to. It's very easy to set up. Now, if you're brand new and you have no idea, you know, what the hell is an email marketing list, or how do I send out an email, that's what the Wi-Fi well system is for. Now, the Wi-Fi well system was set up with, you know, newbies in mind. Somebody that's never made money online, somebody that has no freaking idea what they're doing, they can leverage this system to start getting conversions. Now, as you guys see here, I'm in my back office of the Wi-Fi well system. If you click the link in the description below, what you're going to be doing is you're going to get sent to a capture page. They're going to capture your email, and then they're going to walk you through setting up your very own system. Now, as you guys see here, you know, first steps, you're going to activate your Wi-Fi partners list. This is where you're going to earn $1.50 per lead. They're going to show you how to get traffic, so you don't have to worry about that. If you're in Canada, in the USA, you're going to activate your MCA account, which is going to allow you to earn $80 per sign up. So anytime somebody signs up to MCA, as you guys see here, I got one from a broadcast I did on, you know, on the 6th. So, you know, I sent out one broadcast. I got 54 clicks, 17 opt-ins, 12 registered members, 6 new Wi-Fi partners. So that's $1.50 per Wi-Fi partner. I got a new MCA member, which is an $80 commission. And then I got a new AWeber commission, which is $30 per month. So I hope you guys see the power of this system. And now what it's going to do is, as you guys see here, you're going to get access to your very own system. If you go through all of these steps, they're going to show you how to set up your AWeber account, right? As we went over, that's what we use to send out our emails. But they're going to show you how to do that. And then they're going to show you how to get website visitors. So they're going to use solo ads. And now the cool thing about solo ads is, you know, as you're building your list, right? As you guys see here, I have, you know, a total of 3,000 people on my list, right? So you can go out there and you can buy 100 clicks for on average about $50, right? So you send out, you know, 100 clicks to your email list. As you guys see here, you know, I sent one here. I got 126 opt-ins, 42 opt-ins from 126 clicks. So you're going to be, you know, you're going to be building your list very quickly. And what you're going to be allowed to do is you're going to be allowed to promote the Wi-Fi well system, right? If in case they didn't sign up, as you guys see here, we didn't get any MCA signups for this solo ad, so not everyone's going to convert. I do have a new one going out right here. Sarah Chu, I bought another 100 clicks. But the goal is to build your list so that we can go out there, we can promote these offers, and we can make money the long term. The Wi-Fi well system is set up to make you, earn some money back from buying traffic, and it's going to give you something that a brand new person can get set up and start promoting. All you got to do is you go through, 10 steps. They're going to show you how to get traffic, and what you're going to do is you're going to get your very own link. Right, so you're going to get your own Wi-Fi well system. As you guys see here, my affiliate ID is 10669. Whenever you sign up, you might be 12,000 or 10,000 or 11,000. Doesn't matter. But you're going to get your own link, and you're going to be able to promote that link. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to start to see new opt-ins into your list. You're going to start to see new MCA members giving you $80 commissions, and you're going to be able to then promote, different Warrior Plus offers to that email marketing list that you set up. So I hope this video makes sense for you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, drop a comment down below if you guys want me to go over any training. I'm going to be coming out with some new traffic training. I'm going to show you guys how I find, top vendors on Udemy so that I can actually start getting, sales promoting the Wi-Fi well system. Now, currently, what I want you guys to understand is if you're out there trying to set up your own system and you're not having very much success, maybe you're using paid traffic already. What I recommend doing is, just click the link below, set up the Wi-Fi well system. You can see here that it converts, right? So all you have to do is follow the training and then send traffic to the system. You're going to build your list, you're going to make commissions, and you're going to learn how to email that list to make more commissions, using our Warrior Plus method. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. It'll help me help as many people as possible, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video about how to build a solid income every single day with email marketing. So thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.